With Jahia 8, we've revamped the entire Jahia experience to make your digital journeys simpler, with new navigation, an installation-free 30-day trial, and an integration platform that connects to over 450 of the most popular business applications. Let's take a look. This is the Page Composer, which allows me to select and navigate different digital experiences. In the new Composer tool, I can easily tag and modify my content with a contextual preview so I can see my changes in action. I can add personalizations and A/B test my content in a couple of clicks. We've completely revamped our navigation, so you have one-click access to all the important features in Jahia. Navigate to J content and get up and running with the latest headless technology, such as PWAs and mobile apps. Or delve into J Experience to consume a variety of digital analytics and user data. There's a new place to call home in Jahia, the dashboard. It gives you access to all your digital projects and the ability to create new ones. You can also access the developer tools and browse all the documentation revolving everything Jahia has to offer. So, want to try all this for yourself? Visit jahia.com/free-trial to get your very own instance free for 30 days, with your web address, username and password sent straight to your inbox in less than 60 seconds. The trial has guided tutorial flows which will walk you through all the important processes in Jahia, ranging from creating a page and translation to personalizations and data-driven segmentation. But that's not all. We've launched Stack Connect, Jahia's integration tool that allows you to connect your customer data with over 450 of the most popular business applications available. All you need to do is set your triggers and choose your actions. Hooking up these applications is as simple as logging in. Use a setup wizard or the drag and drop tool to craft your integrations in minutes. Jahia 8 brings content and data together, helping you to stack up and stand out. Jahia, making digital simpler.